If you're still rocking a MacBook Air from 2010 or 2011, you know the struggle is real. Storage is probably tight, and things might be feeling a little sluggish. But before you ditch your trusty machine, consider this. The Sharkspeed 1TB SSD upgrade could breathe new life into your beloved MacBook Air. This SSD is specifically designed for the A1369 and A1370 models, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue. Just make sure your EMC number matches. The big selling point here is speed. Sharkspeed claims read speeds up to 550 megabytes S and write speeds up to 500 megabytes S. That's a significant jump from the original drive, and it translates to faster boot times, quicker application loading, and snappier overall performance. One of the coolest features is that it comes preloaded with macOS High Sierra. This eliminates the hassle of trying to create a bootable drive or dealing with complicated installations. It's basically plug and play. Just install the SSD, follow the on-screen prompts, and you're good to go. Beyond speed and convenience, this SSD also focuses on reliability. It uses 3D NAND flash technology, which is known for its durability and longevity. Plus, it has built-in features like error correction, garbage collection, and bad block management to keep your data safe and sound. SMART and trim functions are also included, further enhancing the drive's lifespan and performance over time. Sharkspeed seems confident in their product, backing it with a 5-year warranty. That's a pretty solid commitment and gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered if anything goes wrong.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.